In the world of production tree work, efficiency is key. And when it comes to feeding trees and brush into chippers, nothing beats the versatility of a mini loader equipped with a Branch Manager Grapple. The Branch Manager Grapple allows precise control and grip, ensuring safe and efficient feeding into the chipper. Remember, safety first. Always approach the chipper at a controlled speed and never overload it. Use the grapple to place the brush butt on the end of the feed table. Reposition the mini loader to grab the brush near the middle and begin to reverse and steer in the opposite direction of the chipper. Do so till the feed wheels engage the brush, release the grapple and back away. By following these best practices, you maximize productivity while minimizing risk. With the right equipment and techniques, processing tree debris has never been more efficient.